David Oliver. I ni wedi bod yma ers deifydd. Mae'r cystadlu wedi bod yn wych o'r dechrau, ond mae rhywun yn timlo ac yn synhwyro bod ni'n adeiladu lan tuag at rhywbeth, a dyma ni, y dosbarth y tu cefn i ni fan hyn.
Dyma'r foment fawr, dyma lle dyn ni'n dewis, lle mae'r beirniad yn dewis Ceffylau'r Ffair. Mae pawb, mae'n dal i fod eitha dorf yma yn disgwyl i weld. Mae'n amser cyffroes, achos dyma ydi uchelgais pawb sydd wedi bod yn cystadlu dros y deuddydd.
Meddylia bod ti'n gallu gweud mai ti yw Ceffylau'r Ffair Aeaf 2023. Mae'n dipyn o deitl.
Yndi. Mae'n fraint a hanner ac mae pob un sy'n dangos neu magu yn breuddwydio o gael y teitl yma.
Yn beirniadu y gystadleuaeth yma rhywun sydd yn gyfarwydd â teithio'r byd, ond bron a bod, dwi'n credu bod Emrys Jones o Ffair Fach yn Llandeilo, Brydfa Llwyn Bedw, mae'n teimlo mwy o bwysau achos bod yn agosach at gytre.
Yndi, yn rhyfedd achos bod wedi arfer gyda'r Ceffylau'r Aeaf ac gwrs mae Mabon y gorffennol wedi bod yn dangos copiau Cymreig, ond dwi'n siŵr bod yn nabod dipyn o'r gystadleuwyr yma yn y ffair. Felly yndi, mae'n dipyn o bwysau yna fes ni'n meddwl. Dyma ni ar adran B, Hayley Grota o ardal Llandudwch. Dyma hi efo Cadlan Valley Princess Charming. Oedd y Bencampwr yn yr adran B ddoe.
Challenge Rose Bowl. And welcoming to the ring is our president, Mr. John Humphrey, president of Glamorgan, who has led them from the front the entire time. For the last 3 years, actually, as Glamorgan was greatly affected by the COVID years. Croeso I chi, Mr. Llywydd, i'r Prif Gylch. Croeso. Gobeithio bod chi wedi mwynhau. Warm welcome to our president. I believe his good lady wife, Jo, is here as well. Welcome to Jo also. I know you've had a busy day, Mr. President, and I'm so pleased that you've been able to come here. Ac wrth gwrs, Derek Brown yn cynrychioli Llywodraeth Cymru. Diolch Derek yn dod nôl i gyflwyno yma yn Prynhawn hefyd. I'm pleased to see our President is holding the champion. I think we've got a prospective exhibitor here. If you're training well, Mr. Wilson, I'm sure he'll be here next year exhibiting on your behalf. I believe he's having an interview now, so we have to...
Well, Ryan, that was quite a turn up for the books.
Well, it's dreams come true, isn't it? It's always, to win at any Royal Welsh show is a dream come true, but to go any further is even more special.
Well, you were quite a popular champion yesterday, and obviously very much so today.
Oh, he's a lovely pony. He's done it all himself, hasn't he? Every time we've asked him, he's gone. So
tell us a little bit. When did you spot this foal?
I bought him when he was 3 days old. I took 3 mares to his father, and then I bought him at 3 days old. And it's just gone from there, really.
Well, it's obviously paid off. It was a good spot early on.
Well, that's it. And his grandmother, she was champion here in 2009 as well. So he must run in the family.
Oh, but well, massive congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Put your hands together for the Supreme Champion of the Winter Fair 2023, the winner of the section...
Dyma ni, pen llanw'r cystadlu yn Llanelwedd eleni. Ceffylau'r Ffair Aeaf yn 2023 yw Cilmeri Casemiro o dan berchnogaeth Ryan Wilson o Henffordd. Fydd yn adre yn hapus iawn I fyd.